Hello students, today we are going to learn the next formula for positive component big friend, which is plus 4. Plus 4 is equal to plus 10 minus 6, right? So let's do few questions. 9 less 2 add 4. Okay, how do you make 9? Plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. आपको 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, सो हम 2 बिट्स आंसर बार से दूर ले जाएंगे. 1 2, करेक्ट. नाउ यू हैव टू ऐड 4 ऐड कर सकते हैं क्या बिना फॉर्मूला के? नहीं, है ना, क्योंकि हमारे पास बीट्स नहीं है. तो प्लस 4 इज प्लस 10 माइनस 6 माइनस 5 एंड माइनस 6. व्हाट इज योर आंसर? आंसर इज 1 ऑन द टेंस प्लेस, 1 ऑन द यूनिट प्लेस, इट इज 11. करेक्ट. So let's do one more question. 6 add 2 add 4 add 2. ठीक है. So सबसे पहले हम 6 बनाएंगे. 5 and 1 6. अब आपको 2 ऐड करना है. 1 2. Now you have to add 4. Plus 4 is plus 10 minus 6 minus 5 minus 1. ठीक है. अब दोबारा से 2 ऐड करना है. plus 1 plus 2. So answer is 1 on the tens place, 4 on the unit place, 14. 14 is your answer. Got it? So with this we learn today plus 4 is equal to plus 10 minus 6. So let's quickly revise here all the formulas which we have learnt so far. Initially we learned the formula for plus 9. Plus 9 is plus 10 minus 1, then plus 8 is equal to plus 10 minus 2, plus 7 is equal to plus 10 minus 3, right? Then plus 6 is equal to plus 10 minus 4, plus 5 is equal to plus 10 minus 5, plus 4 is equal to plus 10 minus 6, right? These formulas we have learned so far. Now in the coming classes we are going to learn remaining 3 formulas. Plus 3 is equal to plus 10 minus 7, plus 2 is equal to plus 10 minus 8, and plus 1 is equal to plus 10 minus 9, right? These 3 formulas we are going to cover in our coming next classes, right? See you then. Bye.